Tehran Joyner is a single mom of 3 living in Atlanta. When she bought her home in 2020, she thought her low mortgage rate would keep her monthly payments down. But water damage from severe winter storms led to 2 insurance claims, and the event planner wasn't prepared for what came next.
I did expect for my rates to go up, but I did not expect to be dropped.
She scrambled for a new policy only to find rates skyrocketing. Her premium going up from $1,200 to more than $5,700 a year with her new provider.
To get penalized for just being a customer who needed help, it just felt, I don't know, like a little bit of a betrayal.
She's had to cut back her spending and pick up more freelance work on the side as a graphic designer.
When I started reaching out to people like, hey, I'm back in the business, like this is what I'm doing, you know, if you need something, just
so you
trying
can cover
to like
this
prepare.
homeowner's insurance
Yeah,
premium.
just trying to like brace myself.
The costs of owning and maintaining a home have soared, up 26% since 2020, according to one analysis. And home insurance is a major piece. That's up 20%. One of the reasons? Climate change. Last year, the United States had a record 28 separate weather and climate disasters costing at least $1 billion, with insurance companies losing money in 16 states. And now many insurers are dropping customers from their policies, sometimes leaving entire states, and not just ones on the coast.
We've never seen anything close to this.
Even in Iowa, a place that doesn't get hard hit by hurricanes or wildfires.
These last 5 years have been more difficult because of hail, tornado, wind, and other factors that are not weather related.
In Atlanta, Joyner says she and the kids are happy in their home, but it hurts when she looks at the bills.
Do you regret purchasing this home? Or?
There are times where I feel that way, yes.
The cost of living at risk of becoming too much to bear. Brian Cheung, NBC News, Atlanta, Georgia.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.